Hey guys, keyword research is very crucial point. And if you want to rank on Google, you need to have a tool to do your task better. There are few paid tools available in the market like Ahrefs and SEMrush. It is very costly and everyone can't afford this. So there are many alternatives to these paid tools, out of which one is Ubersuggest. So in this video we will discuss about Ubersuggest Chrome extension. That's completely free. If you want to know how we can use this tool effectively, watch this video till the end. Hey guys, I am Muqtadir Ahmad Khan, trainer, speaker and consultant, and you are watching Digital Bison. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and press a bell icon so you will never miss any upcoming updates. So now let's move into our screen. There are two things in Ubersuggest. One is Chrome extension and one is Ubersuggest tool. In this video, we will discuss about Ubersuggest Chrome extension. So to download or install Ubersuggest Chrome extension, just type Ubersuggest Chrome extension and click on first link. I've already added this Ubersuggest Chrome extension to my Chrome browser. So if you haven't added, you can click on this button to add this Ubersuggest Chrome extension. So now let's see how it works. After adding this Chrome extension, you don't need to do anything. Just type your query or keywords in Google search box like digital marketing. This is one type of keyword and just press enter. And see, this extension will give you a monthly search volume and a CPC on a search box only. And it will also give you an idea of domain score and backlinks and average backlinks of top 10 results of for this keyword. And if we move forward on the sidebar, you can see this is Ubersuggest extension. You can set a country from here and it will give you a related keywords like digital marketing courses of digital marketing, and all the related keywords here. It is giving us a volume, CPC, and the most important thing is search engine difficulty. This SD means search engine difficulty. So it will show you all the search engine difficulty for all the keywords. If we need more information about this keyword, you can see their view all button. Just click on here and it will give you search volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, and cost per click, CPC. And it will show you the trend of this keyword over the period of time. And it will give one more amazing stuff, that is people click on SEO result. Let's suppose 2 lakhs people are searching for this keyword. Out of these 2 lakhs people, only 78,327 people click on SEO results. And most of the part, that is 1,62,000 people, haven't clicked anything. They just search for this term and didn't click anything. So from this matrix you can analyze how effective your keyword is. You can also see the age group who are searching for this keyword. Now if we move forward and see the top results for this keyword, it will show a domain score, traffic for the particular website, Pinterest, Facebook shares, and most importantly backlinks. So this blog.hubspot.com has 786 backlinks. If we click on this small arrow, it will show you where this domain is getting a backlink from. So you can export this in CSV or any other file. If you click on this next 5 button, it will redirect you to the Ubersuggest tool, but we don't discuss about Ubersuggest tool right now. Apart from this backlink, it will show you the anchor text also. Isn't it amazing? Apart from this, if we move to the bottom of the search engine result page, the Google will show you the related keywords here, and Ubersuggest will give you overview of search volume, CPC, and search engine difficulty for these related keywords. So you don't need to move to the Ubersuggest tool if you effectively use this Ubersuggest Chrome extension. I was previously using this WMS Everywhere, but now I'm using Ubersuggest and it's really amazing tool. WMS Everywhere don't show you the search engine difficulty, so I moved to the Ubersuggest and it's pretty amazing. One more thing in Ubersuggest, if you see on the sidebar, it will show you the suggestions, questions, preposition, and comparison. If you click on any of these results, it will redirect you to the Ubersuggest tool. Let's suppose if I click on this suggestion tab, it will redirect us to Ubersuggest tool. It will tell you to log in with your Gmail account, and it is completely okay. Just log in. I am not logging right now. So you can get an idea of related keywords, that is suggestion, related, question, preposition, and comparison type of keywords from here. And once you log in, it will show you a complete results here. Let me log in first. After you log in into the Ubersuggest tool, it will show you the complete results of keyword. And if you want to find a best keyword for your search query, you can add a filter from here. Just click on this filter and enter an amount of search volume. Let's suppose if I want to rank for a keyword that has minimum of 500 volume and the search engine difficulty of maximum 30, and if I apply, it will give you a complete list of keywords that have minimum 500 volume and a search engine difficulty of less than 30. So this is how you can find a keyword, a best keyword for your search term for your industry. Hope you guys will use this amazing tool by Neil Patel, and I mostly prefer to use Ubersuggest Chrome extension. So go ahead and check this amazing tool. It's completely free and you will definitely love this. So this is an overview of Ubersuggest Chrome extension. If you are a beginner, I won't suggest you to purchase a costly tools like Ahref or SEMrush. Rather, use this amazing tool and you will be able to rank your website in a few months. If you can afford those costly tools, you can definitely choose them. But if you are a beginner, you can opt for Ubersuggest. I'm running a free blogging course series. If you haven't watched that, please click on I button. If you have any doubt, comment below or DM me on Instagram. I'm super active there. So that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay motivated.